Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform your headboard from, well, I'm transforming mine from pink to gray. Let me show you guys the color. This is actually the spray paint that I used right here. It's the Krylon Fusion all-in-one paint and primer glossed smoke gray. It says it covers any surface, so that's why I was like, I can probably get away with using it. But alright, so just before you guys see it, I know that I spray painted in my room. I don't recommend spray painting in your room, but I did because I could not get the headboard through the door, and to undo all the screws and stuff, that'd be a lot. So I just was like, I'm just gonna spray paint in my room. Bad decision, don't do that. I couldn't sleep in there for like 4 days. I'm just now getting back to sleeping in there, and the feel of it is kind of crunchy like in certain areas, but I don't care because it's just a headboard. It's just to keep my head safe from hitting the wall when I sleep. So that's like the main purpose for a headboard. So I don't really care if it's soft and whatever. So if you care, don't use this. I've seen some people use water and fabric softener first, but not with this, but like the chalk paint. So if you want to use water before spraying, you can do that. I don't know if it works because I never seen someone do it with spray paint, just chalk paint. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.